Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here for another combination of puddle pour and string pull. So the colors that I will be attempting this with today are, I'm going to actually have a black background, so I'll be using some Artist Loft black. I've got some Dioxazine purple, Liquitex basics, as well as some primary magenta from Amsterdam, and some aqua green from Artist Loft, as well as I'm trying a new color today, some Buttermilk from Decoart. Everything has Floetrol and water. Everything has silicone except for the black and the purple. So I have silicone in my magenta, my Buttermilk, and my aqua green. So I hope it turns out bright with some really nice movement. I really had fun doing this painting. I especially like the swirl that I added in the middle at the end and the contrast of the purple and the aqua on the black background. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!